Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jackie Los, also known as Junk Gal. I recently returned from vacation where I did a lot of antique shopping. So I wanted to show you what I picked up in Holmes County, Ohio for this shopping trip. I will be styling everything on my brand new mantle, which is not really brand new. We had someone build it for us. Loretta and Howard put this together for us, and we couldn't be more pleased. So after I show you everything that I purchased, then I will style everything. The first thing I picked up was this horse muzzle. I know it doesn't look like much, but these are great for putting on the wall. As such, if this was a wall, and then you can put flowers in them. So what I do is I take off the straps. I'll hold on to the straps for something else that I'll repurpose. But I absolutely love these, and this one is in absolutely great shape. So I got that. I found two of these license plates. I always pick up the license plates from 1963 and Ohio because that's where I was born, and you can probably guess why the number 63. So I thought those are cute. I'm going to frame them up and then hang them as art. This did not come from Holmes County, but this came from the Old Shoe Factory Antique Mall in Lancaster, Ohio, and if you haven't visited, you have to. They have so many unique items, and I love this because, of course, I love barns, but it's painted on tin. Isn't this gorgeous? I just love this. So, this came from Lancaster, Ohio. This is just an old box, and it was built with old barn boards. We like these types of boxes because we hang them on the wall. I'll show you an example here. Now this we thought would be cute with a handle. As such, my husband used a coping saw to make this handle, and then we'll put it on here and we'll hang it up. So I just thought that that would be so adorable like that. And then he puts hangers on the back to hang them. Utica. That box came from Utica, Ohio, the Willow branch. Another fantastic shop. Wonderful mix of antiques, handmade primitives, furniture. If you go to Utica, Ohio, you have to stop there. It is a must. I picked up this bag, and it is an old Domino's sugar bag, and it's stuffed, so I thought that would look really cute on the mantle. We also picked up this small wood bowl. We have a small house, so the big wood bowls don't work. So I thought that was cute. I could put some berries in there with some essential oils and really make the house smell nice for spring. Back to Holmes County. We did get this there, and this is just a tiny little berry basket or berry tin. You rarely find them with the lids, so we were really lucky for that. But I thought that that would look cute on there as well. Just a tiny little thing. And of course, I had to get this, the tag still on there, cowbell. I love these. It still has the ball ringer. So adorable. And that will go great on our mantle. And I'm sure there's some things that I'm missing to show you. The star of the show is the mantle. And hopefully you can see that, and I'll take you up close. But I just love that. My husband built a base for it when we got home. Then I am going to go through my hardware collection, and I'll probably put a piece of hardware here so that it looks like a real door. So yeah, that's what we picked up. We went all over. what was your favorite part of the staging? Any ideas, any suggestions? Put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And I want to say a huge thank you to all our new subscribers. Welcome here, and be sure to tell your friends to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, God bless.